KingCamp Portable Privacy Shelter. This is a 2-room, multi-purpose camping item. This can be used as a shower tent, a portable privacy shelter, a bathroom, or change area, as well as extra storage for clothes and towels. So it will come with a variety of poles for setting it up. Specifically, you get 4 steel poles, 5 fiberglass poles, 4 guy ropes, and 10 steel nails. Make sure you use the steel nails and ropes when you are using it outdoors. I've just set it up indoors for demonstration purposes, as you can see here. It came up very quickly. There is a mesh floor, a towel rope within it. There also is an area for your toiletries to be held or other items depending on what you've brought with you. There is a top double hook as well if you need to hang anything. The windows can be closed. The door goes from all the way to the roof to the ground, and it is a silver coated polyester for complete privacy. Mesh screen on the inside allows for air circulation, and it's got plenty of space even if you are super tall, with the tent ranging from 23 inches by 7.8 inches by 7.8 and only weighing 16.9 pounds. So easy to carry, and it does have a portable bag. Highly recommend it. Check it out.